Hi students, good morning. This is Harsnath Sukla and today in class 12 I am going to discuss the lecture number 2. Chapter is determinant and topic exercise 4.1. Okay, so let us begin. Exercise 4.1 only based on the expansion of determinant and basic things depend on determinant. So first question we already had in previous lecture, second also, so third onwards we have to start. Okay, so question number third, exercise 4.1, question number third. If A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, this is the matrix, then show that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. Okay. So if we see directly, then we can say this is the matrix of order 2, then determinant is of order 2 already. Order of determinant is 2. So determinant of 2A is equal to, that is from the formula, determinant K to the power n determinant A. Okay, so to the power 2 determinant A, that is 4 times determinant A. This is from the formula where we have already see this one, K to the power Ka is equal to K to the power n determinant A, where n is the order of the matrix. So here 2 is the order of the matrix, that's why 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 times A. But this is not a complete, you can say, proof. That's why we have to solve it. Okay. Now here, first of all, we see solution. A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. So determinant of A is equal to det of 1, 2, 4, 2, and you see this is 1 2s are 2 minus 4 2s are 8, this is minus 6. Now 2A determinant of A, that means 2 times we should multiply 2 in all the elements of this matrix, we will get 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 4, 8, 4. So we solve it. 2 4s are 8 and 8 4s are 32. This is minus 32. So here we see, if we consider as equation 1 as equation 2, so determinant of A divided by 2 by 1 implies 2A divided by A is equal to minus 24 divided by minus 6. So 2 times A divided by A is equal to 4. So 2 times determinant A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. So we already see this one. Okay. Now next question. If A is equals to, the same question, but order is 3, order of the matrix is 3. I hope you understand this one, and You have to note it down. I'm not just okay. Next one, question number 4. Question number 4. If A is equal to 101 101 012 00 004. Okay, now we have to show 3 times of determinant A, then show that 3 times of A is equal to 3 3 is 27 determinant of A. So by formula you already know order of the matrix is 3, so 3 power k, that means 3 power 3 is equal to 27 A. Okay, but I'm just going to show it, so please see. Solution. First of all, A is equal to 101012004. So det of A is equal to 3A is equal to 1 3. By the property of matrix, if you multiply a scalar in a matrix, then you should multiply in each element of that particular matrix. So 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 12. Now we find the determinant of both the matrix and divide it. If it will be and already we have to get this result. Okay, so determinant of A det of A is equal to 101012004. I already told in the expansion of determinant you have to expand by that particular row or that particular column where the maximum zeros are contained. So here the maximum zeros, so 1, deleting this particular row and this particular column, you will get 4 minus 0. So obviously this is, and afterwards 0 into something, so no need to expand, because minus 0 into again plus 0 into, so this all are 0. Why? Because multiplication of 0 by any number is again a 0. So this is 4 only. So determinant of A is nothing but 4. So you can write here determinant A is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Now we will have determinant of 3A, and this is nothing but det of 3A is equal to det of 303 036 0012. And again we expand from that particular row or that particular column from which contain maximum number of zeros. So maximum number of zeros are this column has maximum number of zeros, or this particular row has the maximum number of zeros. So from this row or from this column you have to expand it. So expansion is leaving this particular row or deleting this particular row and column, you will get by 12 3s are 36 minus 0. So you know very well this is 36 into 3 into 36, and this is nothing but 3 6 ja 18 1 3 3 is 9 1 0. Okay, So this is determinant of 3a is equal to this thing. This is equation number 2. Now 2 by 1 implies we have 2 by 1 3a upon determinant a 108 by 4. So you know 3a determinant a is equal to 27. So from this you will get the result. Determinant of 3a is equal to 27 times determinant of a. So this we have to solve. So this is the complete solution of that particular question. Okay, now next we will see question number 5. Evaluate the determinants. So easily you can evaluate, I hope. Now question number 6. This is also a very easy question, because if a is equal to this, then find determinant of a. Now I am going to move question number 7 and 8. This is very important. Question number 7 and 8. Find the value of x. Exercise 4.1, question number 7. Exercise 4.1, question number 7 and 8. What is question number 7? Question number 7. Find the value of x if. Find the value of x if 2451 is equal to 2451 is equal to 2x 4 6x. So in the matrix, if there are two equal matrices, then only you have to compare the particular corresponding elements and you will get the value. But in this determinant, you just you will not follow the rule of matrix. You just expand it and then solve and will get the value of x. So this you know, 2 1s are 2 minus 5 4s are 20. This is 2x square minus 24. So this is minus 18. This is 2x square minus 24. So 2x square minus 24 is equal to minus 18. So this is 2x square minus equal to minus 18 plus 24. So 2x square is equal to 18 minus 6. This is 24 minus 18. So x square is nothing but 3. Why? 2 3s are 6. So x is nothing but plus minus of root 3. So this is a very important question. Okay, you have to solve these type of questions. Okay, and now we will move to next question, question number 8. So note it down, please. Before question number 8, there is another question, question number 7, second part. Question number 7, second part. This is the first part of the question number 7. Now we shall discuss the second part of the question 7. What is this? This is 2 3. If 2 3 4 5 is equals to x3 2x5. Okay, now we'll see. Again the same rule. 2 5s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 5x minus 2 3s are 6x. This is also very easy question. Minus 2, this is minus x. So simply x is equal to 2. This is the solution of that particular question. Okay, so please note it down. Question number 8 is also the same question. We shall discuss it. Question number 8. If x2 18x is equal to 6 to 18 6, then what is the value of x? So you see, option is given. What is the value of x? Then value of x. Option is given here. First A option. A is 6, B is plus minus 6, C is minus 6, and D is 0. So there are 4 options. So we can solve it and get what is the answer. Solution. If x2 18x, if you directly say x is equal to 6, this is wrong. 6 to 18 6, because both the determinant are same. So simply you cannot say x is equal to 6 or something. But this is x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36. So this will be x square minus 36 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 36. So this implies x is equal to plus minus 6. This is a very important thing. X square equal to 36, then x must be either plus 6 or minus 6. So answer will be plus 6 and minus 6. That means answer number B is correct. Okay, so in this manner we have to complete exercise 4.1. So in next lecture we have to see the exercise 4.2, but before that we have to study the properties of the determinant, which already not in the syllabus. Instead of this, we have to study and discuss the questions based on the properties of matrices, because it is a very knowledgeful and very useful for your next preparation. So thank you for today. Thank you very much.